Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about a new farmer that is going to be released today. So you can be one of the really early investors right now. The name of it is the BNB Crops Yield Farmer. So as some of you might know, there is also another farmer. Actually, they already made different farmers. Already made a video about this one, for example, the crops farmer. This one is the BUSD version. And the interesting thing or the difference about this farmer now is you can choose your daily rewards. Yeah, you can choose between 2.5 and 3% static. Yeah, so this is really interesting and it's really a new feature. Yeah, and the old version, I invested in this one myself. This one here. Still has a locked value of about almost $256K, and yeah, it's still working. I invested in this one and it's still working. As always, you know, it's no financial advice. I'm just here to show you opportunities, how you can maybe make a few extra bucks or even much more. So let me show you. As I've said before, this is really new right now. It's going to be released today. Today is the 2nd of July, okay? So let me show you the different plans. Plans number one, just that you know how this works, you own some BNB or you buy some BNB and then you put it in this contract, okay? And first of all, this you can't withdraw it anymore, okay? So it's in the contract, but the plan number one, let me explain to you. You get 2% daily rewards. It's locked for 200 days and this means you get 400% ROI. Yeah, so this one is locked for quite a long time, I would say, so it's a little bit more risky. Yeah, plan number two, you get 2.5% daily rewards. It's locked for 90 days like this, so your ROI is 225%. Yeah, as you can see, it also differs, the minimum deposit and the maximum deposit. Here you have minimum 0.1, here minimum 0.2, maximum here 40 BNB, here maximum 45 BNB. Plan number three, this is sort of the least risky one. You get 3% daily, is locked for 60 days. That means you get 180% ROI. Yeah. Minimum deposit is 0.3 BNB, maximum 50 BNB. If you compound, you get an extra 5% rewards. Okay, so let me show you what else. As we've just talked about, here you see the different plans, so you know how this works. If you refer someone to this project, then you get 5% reward of their investment. So I will also put my link in the descriptions. If you like this video, you can support me by using my link. And let me explain you also this here. This is very interesting, the anti-whale control features. What does it mean? You have 48 hours cutoff time. Yeah, this means if you compound, yeah, and then you, for example, stop doing anything. Yeah, after 48 hours, you will not have any additional features or rewards. So after 48 hours, you have to either compound again or take your rewards, okay? And you have 24 hours withdrawal cooldown. What does it mean? If you claim your rewards, for example, now, you can't claim the next rewards in 4 hours. You have to wait for 24 hours, okay? 12 hours compound cooldown. What does this mean? You can compound, for example, every 10 minutes. So you compound, you get your 5% rewards, additional, yeah, and then you have to wait for 12 hours until you can compound again. There's also max active deposit limit of 130 BNB, and the maximum withdrawable amount per day is 5 BNB, okay? So this is actually it, how it works. Could be an interesting project, I would say. And as you know, if you're early in these projects, usually you get the best rewards, okay? So it will be released today. Just check the link in the description and yeah, you're good to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and see you.